Alright, how y'all doing? Today we're gonna do an unboxing of the WOWCube Space Invader Cubed Edition. I'm not being sponsored by them at all, but I ordered and bought this about 3 years ago, and it finally came in the mail. I'm a little excited about it, man. I think I spent about almost $400 for it, so let's see if it's worth it, man. Let's see if it's worth it, man. Let's see what comes in this special edition, is what they're calling it here. So let's see what we all get in the box here. On the cover, it seems like we got a charger, some bumpers, looks like a case. Yeah. What's inside this bumper case? It's open here. Open here. Okay. Alright. Got here? Got some sort of card here. Okay. Probably some scanning to get you to the app. Everybody has an app. What's this here? Travel case. This is dope. My son was asking me, so how do you carry the thing around? Just in your pocket? Okay, so we have a case here. Let's see what's inside this case here. Okay, got a wall charger. Overseas adapters. Okay. Seems like we have some bumpers here. This is pretty cool. This is for like if you accidentally drop it or something like that. It's supposed to help out on that or whatever. So we get these bumpers open, man. So triangulars and stuff like that. I'm tearing this whole box up. There we go. It's probably an easier way. There we go. Alright, so cool. We got a couple of these little different color bumpers to put on the outside. We'll get to that later. What else we got in here? USB C to C connector. Bang bang. Charging port. Alright, that's cool. And that's cool that everything can fit in the case too when you're traveling. So that's good to know. It's real good to know right there. Alright, let's see what this is. Spaces. Let's get to it, my dude. This is what we come to see, man. 3 years. Let's see if this thing has been worth the wait. The box is dope. I'm not gonna front. The little inside of the box. I don't know if you can really see that, but the inside of the box, that's cool. A little art and stuff like that. A little quick start on the back. Okay. Let's open this thing on up. Alright. What's this here? Probably some instructions, some stickers. Oh no. Gift card. That's cool. $50. Okay. I could buy a few games. Of course, a little cloth. Because the whole thing is touch screen, so got to give you a cloth to keep the fingerprints off, right? Here it is. Here it is. Wow. I gotta say, it does have a little weight to it. It does have a little weight to it. What is this here? An extra charger? Or is this just a... Oh, okay. So you get 2 chargers. I got 2 chargers now. I guess one for the home and one for the travel. Okay, that's cool. Okay. Let's see what else is down here at the bottom here. Let's see what's in here. I ordered it such a long time ago, I don't even know it all. Okay, this is another charger. Okay. Let's see what this is. I don't even remember everything I was supposed to get, to be honest with you. Let's see. I'll open this thing up here. Oh. Okay. So this little thing here, I think these are like spare parts or something like that. I'm not 150% sure, but I do remember that. I think these are what lives inside the cubes, like the joints and things like that. I could be wrong, but I think that's what these are. Okay, that's cool. It's cool. for independent company, man. You know, it's just all right. It's all right. Let's see what else is in here. Yep, another overseas adapter for the charger. Last but not least, what is this here? Another C to C cable. Oh, so that's cool. So they give you one with it, and then I guess if you order the traveling case, they give you a whole set as well. So that's kind of cool that they gave me a traveling case too. So I'm not too upset with the wait. But let's see if this cube is charged up, man. Let's see if this cube is charged up. Get rid of some of this. Some of this stuff out the way. Yeah, this is dope though. Alright, man. As far as I understand, man, we're supposed to just tap it. Let's see what the directions is here. Hopefully it came charged. That would be crazy if it didn't come charged. Okay. Pull the tab. Oh, got some lights on it. Got some lights. It makes noise. Oh, this is cool. Hi. Welcome to the cube. Okay. Twist to continue. Oh. Okay. We'll start. Good. Okay, so I'm assuming we gotta just go with the twist. Go with the twist, right? Okay, I think it just calibrated. Good, go ahead. Twist it one more time. See something. Double tap. Okay. Is it a certain one? Ah, it's a certain one that you have to double tap on the side. Okay, double tap this. Okay, I see. I think it's still calibrating. Alright, so you gotta double tap it a few times. Double tap to continue. She said, "You're awesome." Okay, now let's continue. Tilt the cube and collect all the shapes. Ah, okay. It's a picture on this side here. See, there's every single one has a different thing on it. So I guess it's still calibrating. And you have to match up the circle. Okay, so I am looking for a circle. It's kind of hard to calibrate, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie about that. She keeps telling me excellent, so let's just double tap to continue. Let's find something different to do. Put the white highlighting, tap 2 times. It says put the highlight on the light cube and double tap. Okay. Then it says shake up the cube, up and down. I think this thing is calibrating itself. I think that's exactly what's happening. So it's prompting me to pair up with my phone. Alright, so it's asking me to pair this thing up with my phone. So let's go ahead and do that here. Let me pull out my camera. don't know if you can see. There's a QR code on it. So let's go ahead and let's do it. Okay, it reroutes me to the website. Let's get started. It says, let's connect your cube. Okay, the phone is asking me to pair. It says connected. So that didn't take long to connect. That's cool. Okay, let's get started. Activate gift card. I'm probably going to skip through all of this type of stuff real fast. But it wants me to activate my gift card and my coins and my toys and stuff like that. And that's that. Okay, it shows me the percentage of the battery of my cube and things like that. Ooh, you can change the screensaver on it. This is cool. So I think we completely calibrated now. On every single one of these cubes, it has a different thing on it. Oh, wow. And as you move the thing around, it actually highlights what game you're gonna focus on. Okay, so let's find a game, man. Let's stop playing. Let's see what we came to do. Yeah, Space Invaders. That's what it is, right? There we go. And then double tap it. Oh, cool sounds and everything. Okay. Oh, this is dope. Then it has like the stats on the sides and stuff. That's cool. Just twist to start. Let's start. This gotta be crazy. This is crazy. Okay, where am I at? And I'm assuming... Oh, wow. Okay. That's kind of cool. Didn't expect it to be like super duper graphics and stuff like that. And I'm assuming I can spin the cube around to get closer to him. Okay. Let's see how to exit out of this game here. Let's see. Okay. You just shake it to get out. Okay, let's see what the aquarium looks like. Ah, that's nice. With the different fishes in it and things like that. So that's cool. Something you could just lay on your table and stuff like that on the charger. Gives you a screen shaver. Let's get out of this though. Okay. Has a bubble game. It has settings on it. Let's see what this ladybug game is. And I think you have to highlight it. You can't just double tap on anything. You gotta have the actual app highlighted. So this is like the little ladybug, one of the prime games they've been promoting. Same type of setup with the display and the leaderboard and all of that stuff on the side. Alright, twist to start. Oh, so you gotta just twist it. It wraps all the way around the screen. I don't know if y'all can see that. And then you gotta follow it over this way. And then you can change the direction of which way the bug is going to try to find the food and stuff. That's pretty cool. Something to do. Something to do. You know, it's for $400 though. I don't just I don't know if it's worth that when I can get a Nintendo Switch or something like that. I'm not sure. Let's see something. It says double tap to start. Okay. Classic cube. So this is kind of cool. It does come with a gang of games. And I don't know how to play any of these games. I'm really just opening it up for the first time now and winging it with you right now. So let's see some triple tap. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Ah, so this is like the classic Rubik's Cube thing where I kind of got to match all the colors up. Okay. That red there. See, I need to get this red on this side here. So this is like a classic Rubik's Cube game. That's cool. I love the fact you just shake it just to clear out. That is really cool. It's really cool. I wish you could just double tap what you want. I wish you could just double tap what you want, but you can't. The mouse actually has to be highlighted on it. And then you can just double tap. So let's see what the butterflies do. Let's see what the butterflies do. Once again, every game you have to twist to start. Let's see something here. Oh no, this one here is a double tap. I love the sounds it makes though. That's pretty cool. Oh, so this is a similar type of game here where you gotta actually make the butterfly. Okay. It's pretty cool, man. Overall, I think it's wonderful, wonderful technology, man. I think it will take some getting used to. It's definitely not like straight out the box. You can play with it and have gangs of fun with it. You really gotta start over. See, I think I got one butterfly together right there, and it's flapping or whatever. So I gotta get the other one on the bottom now. So yeah, it's definitely not just wham bam, loads of fun out the box. You kind of do have to learn how the thing actually works. But overall, man, I think it's wonderful technology. I wish it could be a little cheaper, but it's great. It's fun. I could see me playing with this for hours on end. I could see me wasting my time doing that. I'll tell you what would be wonderful about this thing here, man. In the medical field, I think this might be wonderful, man. You know, people that have motor skill problems and things like that, this would probably do wonders for them right there, teaching them different motor skills and things like that. I hate to just give it to a complete child that might just want to just throw it across the room or what have you. But yeah, I think it does wonders if it was like in the medical field or what have you. And you, I guess with these little bumpers, you have little stickers inside of them that you just take out, yeah, and you just connect them all the way around, and you got your different colors. So you just have a bunch of bumpers on it, so in case if it does fall or what have you like that, it won't just crack the screens or scratch the screen. Hopefully it won't crack. But yeah, man, this is real nice, man. This is the WOWCube. This was my unboxing of it. Check them out. Google it. You know, like I said, this isn't sponsored by them. But I have been anticipating getting this thing for a very long time, man. So I'm very, very, very excited to actually really get into it, learn it. Like I said, I got the gift cards and all of that stuff over here as well. So I want to really download a few games, attach it to the actual app, because you can attach it to the app, and I might do a video on that, how good the graphics may show up. Heard there's stories and little videos you can watch, and I don't know, I'll put a couple of pictures of my kids up here and see how it come out, put the logo on it and what have you. So we'll go from there, man. But this was my unboxing of the WOWCube. Check it out.